Welcome.
Welcome. Here you are, joining us for an adventure in a new paradigm. Throw out that old way of what's right, what's wrong, what you have to do, what you can't do. Let's move into a life of a world in which we live in choice. We make decisions by how we choose to respond to our own and other people instead of we
Yeah.
have to because it's this way or that way.
Yes, and let's do this together. As Mary used to say, you can do it wrong and you can do it right.
Because
Come,
we go
join
beyond
us.
that. Yeah, we'll go beyond that, the ideas of right, wrong thinking. So join us and we will explore together a new way of living that's more harmonious, peaceful, beautiful, enlivening, enjoyable. Okay, I could go on and on, but I'll just say, join us. We're waiting. You have, oh, and I want to say two more things. There's a variable price structure, so pick the price that works for you, and um, there's 100% guarantee, risk free. If it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. Okay, so join us.